Check this out. I don't know if you can see this again. The temperature inside the car, and this is we're sitting in the shade too. 131 degrees. That crazy. It's so hot today. Here we are, back once again at the best place that Diana loves. Oh, there she is. Sorry. We haven't been here like a month. Diana's been jonesing. She's like, put it in my veins! Put it in my veins!
Monkeys to tropical fish. They all live with me here in the rainforest.
Get the whole plan. Hi, Johnny. Hi, Johnny.
We're at the Rainforest Cafe, and as you can see, they have all these different kind of animals all over the place. Elephants. Saw that, Diana. Diana's giving me bunny ears. And this stuff is cool because I could pretty much make this kind of stuff. And I got them before. Yeah, see you later. Yeah. Oh, they took the water out. Cool. I want to put that in my house. Put that in the pool. Dork. You are a dork. I could build this, Diana. We're all going to a car show. Diana, get in. It's in the car. Yeah, Diana's dancing. Go, Diana, go. I'm sorry. Check out the size of this slug. Bam, ready comparison. My finger. This slug. That's a damn.
Look at the thing.
Don't touch them.
Boop. Lick your fingers now.